Hey guys, I'm Sindhu from BBRT. In this session, we are going to learn about network protocols in computer networks. So, what do you mean by network protocols? When two devices communicate with each other, some set of rules and regulations are need to be followed when sending and receiving information with each other. Such set of established rules are known as network protocols. Without network protocols, computers and other devices would not know how to engage with each other. They establish the order in which the data is transmitted and received between devices. Few key characteristics of network protocols are: it enables effective communication between devices and system. It also facilitates data transmission over networks. It also ensures data integrity and reliability. Network protocols define the rules for addressing and routing data. These network protocols are the fundamental to functioning of computer networks, ensuring that the data is exchanged seamlessly and securely. Now, coming to types of network protocols. Generally, there are various types of network protocols, and each of us is designed for a specific purpose and functions. Let us learn few of types of network protocols. The first one is TCP, which is Transaction Control Protocol, and the next one is IP, which is Internet Protocol, and the third one is UDP, which is User Datagram Protocol, and the fourth one is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which is known as SMTP, and the fifth one is FTP, which is File Transfer Protocol, and the last one is HTTP, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Now, let us learn in detail about each of these types of network protocols. The first one, which is Transaction Control Protocol. It is a connection-oriented protocol that provides reliable, ordered, and error-checked delivery of data packets over a network. TCP establishes a connection between devices before exchanging the data, and it also ensures data integrity. TCP is a part of TCP or IP protocol suite, which is a foundation of the modern internet. For example, when you visit a website in your web browser, it typically uses TCP to establish a connection to the web server. It ensures that the web pages you request are transmitted reliably and in proper order. If there is any kind of data loss or corruption during transmission, TCP automatically requests retransmission. Now, let us see another real-time example, which is online gaming. Online gaming often uses TCP to ensure that the game data, such as movements of the players and actions, is transmitted accurately. This is all about Transaction Control Protocol. It assigns unique numerical address known as IP address, a number used to identify a computer or a network of computers. So, for each device, an IP address is assigned, which enables them to send and receive data over the internet or local networks. It is used for routing data packets across the internet, allowing devices worldwide to communicate. Coming to the examples, when you send an email, the email server uses IP to transmit the email message from your email client to recipient's email server. IP ensures the email reaches its destination regardless of recipient's location. Coming to the second one, which is IP, Internet Protocol. It is a fundamental communication protocol used in computer networks. Another example is video streaming. Generally, services like Netflix, YouTube, and Hulu uses IP to deliver video content to your device. IP helps route the video data packets from the streaming server to your computer, ensuring you can watch videos online. This is all about Internet Protocol. The third one is UDP, which is User Datagram Protocol. It is a connectionless network protocol. It provides a simple and lightweight way to transmit data between devices over a network. Unlike TCP, UDP does not establish a connection before sending data, whereas Transaction Control Protocol establishes a connection before sending the data, and it also guarantees for data delivery and a proper order is maintained, whereas User Datagram Protocol does not establish any connection between devices before sending the data, and it also does not guarantee any kind of proper order and also data delivery. While UDP sacrifices reliability for speed, it is a valuable choice for time-sensitive application where speed and responsiveness are prioritized over error connection. For example, voice over IP calls, which is VoIP. For example, voice over IP calls like Skype and Zoom often uses UDP for transmitting voice data packets. While some packets may be lost, UDP's lower latency ensures that conversation flows smoothly without noticeable delays. So this is all about user datagram protocol. The fourth one is SMTP, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is an application layer protocol used for sending email messages over computer networks. It is a text-based protocol which operates over the transmission control protocol. It is a crucial component of the email infrastructure, allowing messages to be reliably and efficiently transmitted across the internet and local networks. Example, email forwarding. If you set up an email forwarding in your email settings, SMTP is used to redirect emails from one address to another. For example, you can forward work emails to your personal email address using SMTP. Coming to the next one, which is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. It is an application layer protocol used for transferring files over computer networks. It provides a simple and standardized way to upload and download files between a client and servers. FTP operates in two modes, which is active and passive. It also allows flexibility in data connections. FTP is widely employed for web development, server maintenance, and file sharing, although it lacks encryption, making it vulnerable to security threats without additional security measures. For example, media companies and content creators uses file transfer protocol to distribute large media files such as audios, videos, and images to various broadcasters, media outlets, or streaming platforms. This is all about FTP. Coming to the last one, which is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is an application layer protocol used for transmitting and receiving hypertext, which consists of text, images, videos, and links over the World Wide Web. It follows a client-server model where web browser acts as clients, sending requests for web pages, and web servers respond with the requested content. HTTP has two major versions, HTTP 1.1 and HTTP 2. Each with its own set of features and improvements for efficient web communication. For example, when you open a web browser and enter a website URL, for example, like http www.google.com, the browser uses HTTP to request a web page from the remote web server. The server responds by sending the requested HTML, images, and other resources back to the browser, allowing you to the website. So this is all about HTTP, which is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So in conclusion, we can say that network protocols are essential for effective communication between two devices, and also the data is exchanged seamlessly and securely. This is all about network protocols and computer networks. Thank you for watching.